So this is our deburring machine, and this is how it looks like. This is the control board. We need 3 firing lines connect there and 1 grounding line. After connected, we need to check the phase protector, making sure there's no alarm over there, so we can turn all these breakers up. Here's the switch for turning on. This is the voltage. This is the amperes for the first setting belt or the second setting belt. So choose the languages there, then enter into the system. And the function is something we need to learn from. First setting belt control run stop, run stop. This is the second setting belt. This is the universal running. Control the brush. Control the universal brush rollers. And this is the brush rollers. Like here, this is the brush rollers, and this. See the gears over there? This is a universal running like that. This is the running itself. And you can actually, to press the button, brush roller raising up, the rollers will going up. Brush rollers going down, the rollers gonna going down. And this is the conveyor table. We can adjust the speed from here, from 1 meter to 7 meters, the maximum. Forward, we don't really need that one actually. And this is the thickness adjustment. Let's take an example. So this is the 4 or 5 millimeter part. So we measure it. We put the setup number 5 millimeter. Press enter. Then we press run, which means the table can adjust it. So you can feel like the table is moving. I'll adjust it like that. Let's give another try. Let's say 30 millimeters. We press enter over there. So we press the button run. You can see the table is going down. You can feel like the table is going down, and the distance is going big. See, it's going down, keep going down, keep going down. See the flashlight there. Okay, until the display shows 30, it's done. Okay? But making sure you hit the button wrong so it can adjust it. And this is for the dust collector. Dust collector open, off. And we can actually connect the dust collector from here. And this one is for the vacuum table. These 3 lines. So this is the vacuum table on and off. So this is a PLC control about the basic functions. So when we start running it, making sure you power it up. Press that button. Okay. And now we have parts. We measure it. We measure it is 4 millimeter. So we press the button 4 millimeter over there and press the run. So the table is going up. Okay, so when the table going up, we can actually put one part, making sure this is a stainless steel. We can put it over here. But before that, remember we need to start the conveyor table first. So the table is moving. Okay, we can adjust the speed a little bit slower from here, like 4 meters per minute. It's going slow. Then we need to put that part over there and check if this part can go through. We'll see if this part can go through. See, it's coming. Yep, it can touch on the sanding belt first. And let's see if it can touch the sanding belt second. Yes, it can touch sanding belt second. Then it's all the way through there. It's coming out. Okay, this is the part already done actually. So if it can go through, which means we have no problem with it. Now we can turn the first sanding belt on, the second one on, then turn the universal running and brush rollers. Okay, now we're gonna through the parts. Let's see, put this part on. This is the part polish. And how to turn off that machine, we need to remember the order as well. First of all, turn the first sanding belt stop, then second stop, then brush rulers stop, universal roller stop. Last one is the conveyor table. Turn it stop. Then everything stop. Okay. A little bit more things I want to let you know, that is the brush rollers. Okay. So normally the number is gonna be from 25 to 35. The number is getting bigger. The running speed is getting faster. So if you want to get the H more better, then you can actually to speed up the brush rollers, which means you turn on this number from 25 to 35. So it can run faster. Another thing is we can't adjust the rulers going up and down, last I talking about in the beginning. We can push the button, rulers down, which means the rulers is getting down to touch the table. So we can polish the parts harder. Okay, yep, that's the pretty much about the control. Now let's see if we test this part and we didn't polish it well, and we think it's polished too heavy. We polish this part too heavy, we can actually manually adjust it down a little bit. See, it's almost a 4 right now. So let's see, we press the button down. So it is 0.3 millimeters more, which means you have a little bit more room. That means the sanding belts will polish that part not that hard because it got 0.3 millimeters more the distance. So we need to adjust that manually until we think that part polished well. Then we can do the batch cutting. And for the vacuum table, we can either put stainless steel, aluminum, or we can put the bigger piece of the carbon steel. It can vacuum it as well. Here's the sanding belts. For sanding belts, we need to learn how to replace the sanding belts and adjust the sanding belts position. Because sometimes the sanding belts might go this way more, that way more, can pull up, can reach this trigger, which means we got an alarm here. So we need to reset before we run anything. So if this sanding belt is going off, so we need to adjust it. So here is the button for the gas control of the sanding belts. We press down, then it's gonna be down. We can actually adjust this sanding belts back and forth, left and right. When we adjust it well, we can pull it so it's going up. And here is the tool, switch tools that we can actually loose it, then move back and forth to adjust this sanding belts to on the right position. Same to the first sanding belt as well. Okay, so for the brush rulers, now we do 4 millimeters, it can touch over here. But when we do the 20 millimeters or 1 inch carbon steel or stainless steel, then we're probably gonna have like 20 or 25 millimeters the distance. So we need manually to make these rulers down so we can touch it. So how we can adjust, how we can tell these brush rulers on the right position. So when these brush rulers can touch it, little bit harder, like this way, it's good for the brush rulers. Okay, now this is pretty much that I want to let you know. So for now, everything is all off. We can turn off the machine, just like that. It's all off.